Hey everybody, it's Jeff Duggins, and we're here with another episode of the Backyard Oasis. So I'm here with Amy Arnold, which is usually on the other side of the camera. We got you out behind the camera today.
Shocking.
Here in this beautiful, I think it was the natural pond that brought you out.
It is. It's absolutely gorgeous.
So, yeah, so we are here in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky in farm country, if you will.
Sure.
Out in the middle of nowhere with this beautiful recreation pond that we put in actually just about a couple of months ago. So what do you think about all this?
It's so beautiful. At the top here, it's really shallow and calm, and I guess this is for the planting.
Yeah, this is the wetland area. So notice the plants we got started. This fall, they're not going to do a whole lot, but next spring, they'll really take off, and this is where all of our filtration takes place. This is actually about 4 foot deep with different size rocks, and the water percolates up through, and the plants actually filter the water out. So it's
awesome.
No chemicals, no chlorine. This does it all for this whole pond.
Perfect. So completely natural filtration system.
Yep, and then that flows down into our tanning ledge area down here, which is
it's the best part.
Really cool.
I love it the best.
Right?
That flagstone on the bottom is so striking.
I know. The guys did an awesome job with that. It beats having the gravel that we're standing on now, especially if you're barefoot. So you can just interact with it. Kids can play with that. And we actually did the flagstone on the bottom of the actual pond too, so they can. It's 4.5, 5 foot deep, so you're going to be able to stand in it and interact with it and things like that. So tanning ledge area, it's supposed to be about a foot deep. We've had like no rain in a month around here, so the pond's a little bit low right now. So when it gets it topped off in the springtime and summer, it'll be up another foot, so you'll actually be able to sit in a lounge chair or whatever in there and actually cool off in the summer.
Oh, that's great.
So yeah, so a couple of other things that we did here. The landscaping, very minimal, but also very cool. The flagstone walkways, really just a nice area. They didn't want the mulch.
I don't blame them. I love this flagstone. It's perfect for going around the pond.
Right.
And the gravel just keeps it nice and tidy.
Yeah, but it's not too good on your feet.
So
right. If you're walking in barefoot stuff, so that's what the flagstone's for, is to kind of just navigate through the areas and with that. And there's actually a weed mat underneath the stone, so it's not going to get a lot of weeds and things like that. Being out in the middle here, you're going to get some seeds and some stuff that blows in. So it's not going to be completely maintenance free, but pretty nice with that. Yeah. So one of the other things, did you notice the little secret waterfall we have over here?
I did. We were parked in the truck over here, and I said, oh, I see the secret waterfall.
Not really a secret spot out in the open, but the way it's designed, the homeowner wanted something they could stick their head under.
Oh, okay.
For us, with natural rock, is a real challenge. It's not like a concrete grotto that you see at these resorts and things like that. So what we did is just build a little waterfall to the side. When they're standing in the bottom, she's not 6 foot, she's about my height. So you can actually stick your head under the water and have that as a little waterfall area there and to play with and things like that. So
that's perfect, yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Oh, I really think my favorite part is that it's completely natural. So it's like you get that wild swimming experience without all of the junk that comes with, having a pool in your backyard.
Yeah,
I love that.
That makes you itch when you get out. And
right.
Stuff goes wrong with that. Yeah. So can't wait to see this grown in. We'll probably come back maybe next year or maybe in 2 years, like we did with the other one we did just down the road, to see all the plants grown in and all the landscaping and everything with that. So sound good?
Sounds like a plan.
All righty. Well, again, just a real short episode of the Not So Backyard Oasis, I guess, because we're not really in a backyard. But hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want something similar to this or want to talk about some more formal features with a natural swimming pool or recreation pond, I should say, let's just hit us up and we can help you out with that. Thanks and have a great day.